Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about Best Stocks 2025. As of June 3, 2025, several Indian stocks are generating attention from analytics and brokerage firms of their strong growth potential. Here, a list of the top stocks picks across various sectors. First, top stock pick for 2025. First, HDFC Bank. Sector Banking Analytics target 2050. Ratio nail consistent performance or robust fundamental make it reliable choice. Second, Bharat Airtel. Sector Telecom Analytics target 1990. Ratio a strong free cash flow generation of reduced debt post 5G rollout enhance its appeal. Third, Infosys sector information technology. Ratio global demand of digital transformation service position it grow. Fourth, Maruti Suzuki sector automotive. Ratio Indian leading cars manufacturer to benefit of rising middle class income and exploration is into electronic vehicles. Fifth, Axis Bank sector banking analytics target 1425. Ratio attractive valuation compared to peers with the strong growth prospects. Sectoral insights. Automotive companies like Eicher, TVS Motor, Mahindra are safe bets. Global slowdowns thanks to domestic demand. Chemicals. The sector is showing signs to recovery after presenting opportunities for investors. Short-term trading ideas. June 3, 2024. For investors looking at short-term opportunities, analytics have a following stocks. First, Paytm. Second, Swiggy. Third, CDSL. Fourth, Yes Bank. Fifth, HUDCO. Sixth, Indian Hotels. These are pick up based current market trends and technical analytics. Additional top stocks picked for 2025. First, Reliance Industries Limited (RIL) sector energy, retail and telecom. Analytics target 1640. Ratio rise its target price to RIL stock 3 years low valuation as soon as opportunity for growth. Second, Inox Wind Limited sector renewable energy. Analysis target 236. Third, Radio Khaitan Limited sector alcoholic beverage. Fourth, JK Cement Limited sector cement. Fifth, United Spirits Limited sector alcoholic beverage. Sixth, Lupin Limited sector. Seventh, Jubilant Limited sector chemicals. IDBI Limited Bank sector banking. Short-term trading ideas. Paytm, Swiggy, Yes Bank, HUD, Indian Hotels, etc. Additional top stocks picked for 2025. First, EPAC Durables. Second, Hindustan Limited. Third, Titan Company Limited. Fourth, Adani Enterprise Limited. Fifth, Coal India Limited. This video is talk about Best Stocks 2025. This is my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.